Hey there, I hope you're ready for a super easy Valentine's DIY. Start with something heart-shaped. It could be wood, it could be cardboard. You're going to need some joint compound, something to spread the joint compound with, and a stencil. You probably already have one of these around the house just like I did. So the easiest way I found to do this is to wipe a very small amount of joint compound on your stencil and then press that down onto your heart. This will just make it stick to your heart and it makes it a lot easier. So now you're ready to spread on your joint compound. You're going to want to do a generous layer on top. It doesn't have to be super thick, but you definitely don't want it too thin either. Then you'll just want to smooth it out a little bit and you're done with that. And it's time to peel off your stencil. Look at that. Isn't that cool? If you have any excess on the edges, you can just scrape it right off and put it back into your joint compound container. Once it's completely dry, then you'll be ready to paint. All I did was paint the entire heart one color, and then I took some 80 grit sandpaper and lightly sanded some of the paint off to show the white joint compound through. And that's it. There's so many options here you can do, so many pretty colors. You could even wipe on some antiquing wax and wipe it back off and make it look even more old and distressed. I hope you enjoy this DIY, and if you give it a try, make sure to tag me because I would love to see it. Have fun!